friends! My name is Jake. Today, brushing my teeth became a fun adventure.
Jake, it's time to brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom! I look in the mirror and open my mouth wide. Hello, teeth! Suddenly, my toothbrush feels magical. Let's clean those teeth. Oh no! I see tiny sugar bugs on my teeth. We have to clean them. I brush up, down, and all around. Great job, Jake! I rinse my mouth and smile big. My teeth are shiny and clean.
I'm proud of you, Jake.
Thank you. I like clean teeth. Now my teeth are clean and I'm ready for bed. Good night, teeth. Brushing teeth every day keeps my smile happy and strong.